Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm already halfway through, so I can tell you just how much in love I am with this product because one, it's inexpensive. Two, it's one product. I don't even need a spray bottle. I don't even need water. It's just one product I can go out, get, and it's inexpensive like I said, and it gets the job done. It requires no previous moisturization, no previous wetting, and your hands will definitely slide through your hair. As a 4C, 4B natural, I've been having this issue for a long time. My hair is super dry. As you can see, it's like really dry. Really dry. I feel like I'm flaking because I had some gel on the edges to, wear a high puff, and my hair looks horrible. So I started already by prepping my hair with my one product that I'll be using. This is the African Pride Moisture Miracle Aloe and Coconut Water Detangle and Condition Pre-Shampoo. I love aloe for my hair. Like I said, the product is definitely aloe consistency. I love it, and the slip is amazing. So what we're gonna do is basically start by just doing this, and I'm gonna section off my hair. Use your fingers or comb to detangle, and rinse thoroughly. For especially dry or tangled hair, leave on for 15 to 30 minutes before rinsing. It's quarantine, so I'm gonna leave this on as long as I feel like, probably until in the morning. All right, so I'm just gonna take a good amount of the product, and we're gonna put this on. And let me tell you, this product is so aloe-like. Wow. I think it's a really good product, especially for detangling. If you need to detangle your hair, this is the product for you. This has so much slip, it has so much slip I can't even open the clip. Just like aloe does. And this is fully me detangling with my hands only, no comb. This is no comb, just product, right? Just product and hands. One product, and hands. Ooh, one product and hands. So you have a dry, moist, baby. All right, so many may be like, why are you using one product? Is this product gonna really work? Bruh, I don't know if y'all see the difference and how quickly I detangled my hair, but this required no comb, no brush, no pulling, simply just adding the product and sliding your hands, preferably with gloves so that your nails don't snag your hair. No water, just this product. So if you want to see how I finish this off, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Now, when I part my hair is pretty tangled, right? So let's clip this away. My hair is fully tangled. I'm gonna use some of the product, and I'm gonna now apply it to my hair. Now, I usually have my gloves on both hands. Make sure you get your roots as well, your edges. You need everything to be moist and detangled. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start, and I'm just gonna do this, and we're gonna now do this. So when persons are afraid to detangle their hair or they're using a heavy comb as a 4C natural, it is unnecessary. As a 4B4 type 4 natural, you do not have to use a comb to detangle your hair. Most persons like me, I feel like my hair tangles way faster. I have a double-edged sword. One, my strands are fine. Two, my hair is really kinky. So I have kinky, coily, as well as I have fine hair naturally tangles a lot. And then you're also gonna add coils to it and kinks to it. And then you end up with this. That's what you end up with. a tangle mess, and I won't dare comb this. This is me sticking my hand in my hair. I won't dare comb this. So basically, this is the one product that I use to detangle my hair. Because I'm also showing you how I fully prep my hair, I'm gonna use a wild growth oil or something on my scalp during this period. Make sure I get my edges, you know. Since I'm showing you how I prep my hair, I'm gonna do this overnight. I'm prepping for wash day. Use my shower cap, and then I'm gonna put on my bonnet or sleeping towel or something like that. Yeah, and that's pretty much it, and that is how I detangle my hair and prep my hair for shampoo day. But I want to show the last view in the camera. If you wanted to know how to really moisturize your hair, how to detangle your hair and everything, this product literally penetrates. Let me put some of that in there. Sorry, you know, went a little overboard with the oil, but that's fine. I just want to show you guys how moisturized my hair is. You really see my perfect coils, perfect to me coils. You see everything. You see that it's really moisturized, and that is really good. And this is no water added to the product. But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed. I hope that you try the product. Let me know how it works for you. The link will be in the bio for the product. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up this video. Let me know if this is the content you like. Let me know if you want me to bring some more other content or any ideas that you want to give me. But this is a really good product, and I want you guys to try it and tell me what you think. Bye. And if you have already, let me know in the comment section below. Bye.